Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this really pretty modern glam look to share with you. I'm finally getting around to being able to film voiceovers, makeup tutorials, or do voiceovers and film makeup tutorials using this Melt Gemini palette. It's such a beautiful palette and I have so many ideas. So to get started, I'm using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime my eyes, and I'm using the Be Pure Infused Pressed Powder under the eyes to catch fallout. Of course, we're using the Melt Gemini eyeshadow palette. This palette is so gorgeous. This has such a beautiful color story. The first shade I'm going to be taking is called Luna, and I'm just taking this on a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to apply this in the crease. And as always, I just do it kind of messily. I build the shade up over a few passes and I just keep building that up and messily putting in the crease. We will fix it when we go to blend in the crease area, but right now we're just laying down the shade in the crease. Moving on, I'm going to be picking up the shade Cupcake, and it's a darker brown. I cannot wait to play with the greens in this palette. I'm just placing that on the outer corner of my eye and up into the crease against the orbital bone. I'm using that as a guide, and I'm just going to build that up over a few passes. And I'm using like a dense stubbed crease brush to place the shade. It's going to give me maximum pigment payoff. Okay, I'm going to go back in with my blending brush that I used first in the beginning, and I'm going to blend the crease with the outer corner color, and then I'm going to take the outer corner brush I used and blend that shade with the crease color. And now I'm taking Gemini, which is a shimmery, bronzy, golden, orangish kind of shade. I do not know how to describe the shade. It's absolutely stunning. I'm going to use this on my finger and apply it to my lid for maximum pigment payoff. I'm just going to quickly place that on the lid. Once it's on there, I'm going to pat over it with a shader brush, and then I'm going to blend the outer corner shade with the lid shade, and then I'm going to blend crease shade with the outer corner and the lid shade. All the shades in this palette are so impressive. They're so creamy and pigmented with minimal fallout, and the shimmery shades or the metallic shades are fantastic. They're so creamy and nice. This is NYX Single Eyeshadow in Pure Skin. It's just a light skin tone eyeshadow. I'm taking this on a fluffy shader brush and I'm going to apply this under the brow and blend it down into the crease. I'm wiping away my fallout, and then I'm going to take Polka Dot in the palette and I'm going to use that on my lower lash line. This is AOA Studio Venetian Cream eyeshadow in Betrothed, and I'm using that in the inner corner. It's absolutely stunning. And this is the WetnWild Breakup eyeliner, and this is Jordana's Continious Almond eyeshadow pencil, but I like it in the crease. And I did get this new Sephora mascara called LashCraft, and it's a really pretty mascara. If you don't want to wear like lashes, you just want to have like an everyday kind of look, it actually looks really pretty. If you do a couple passes, a couple coats of that, it will give you spider lashes, but it's so pretty. This is a Sheglam Lustrous Matte Lipstick, and then this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look, found the video helpful, and will try the look out for yourselves. I thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list. Thank you so much for watching.